The doomsday clock is a symbol that represents the likelihood of man-made global catastrophe. In 1945, the Bulletin of Atomic Scientists, founded by Albert Einstein and a student from the University of Chicago, created this clock as a symbol to represent how close the world is to a possible apocalypse. It is set annually by a panel of scientists including 13 Nobel laureates based on threats, old and new, that the world faced in that year. When it was first created in 1947, the hands of the clock were placed based on the threat posed by nuclear weapons, which the scientists then perceived to be the greatest threat to humanity. Over the years, they have included other existential threats such as climate change and disruptive technologies like artificial intelligence. The reason the scientists selected a clock to convey the metaphor is of twofold. Firstly, they wanted to use the imagery of an apocalypse as well as the contemporary idiom of the nuclear explosion to illustrate the threat to humanity. The clock was originally set to 7 minutes to midnight and has since moved closer or farther away from the dreaded 12 o'clock position. The farthest it has been is 17 minutes after the end of the Cold War in 1991. But from past 2 years, the hands of the clock has been fixed to 100 seconds away from the midnight, which is the closest in the history. In its press release back in 2020, the Bulletin announced that it had taken the drastic step of setting the doomsday clock at 100 seconds from the midnight. This was due to the prevailing climatic conditions, cyber-based disinformation, and nuclear risk. One of the major reasons the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientist set the doomsday clock to 100 seconds to midnight this year was due to the debilitating impact of the coronavirus pandemic. The panel said that in this time of genuine crisis, governments too often abdicated responsibility, ignored scientific advice, did not cooperate or communicate effectively, and consequently failed to protect the health and welfare of their citizens. The scientists further warned that the spread of disinformation and conspiracy theories, often by world leaders themselves, is worsening the threat of nuclear conflict and the climate emergency.